Good morning, students. This is Ma'am Roslyn. Welcome to today's maths class. Hope all are doing great. Yeah, good. Today we are going to discuss about correlation for tied ranks. In the previous video, we discussed Spearman's rank correlation when there is no tie in the rank. So here we are going to first see the formula. Okay, the formula is R is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation of t square plus 1 by 12 times m1 cube minus m1 plus 1 by 12 times m2 cube minus m2 plus it goes on divided by n times n square minus 1, where m1, m2, m3 are number of times a value is repeated, or you can say number of times a particular rank is repeated. D is R1 minus R2. We know it's the difference between the two ranks. N is number of individuals in each series. Before we get into problem, we'll see how we'll find M1, M2. Okay. So I'll just explain you with an example. Yeah. Suppose I'm going to consider some marks. Okay. Maybe marks in max. We'll take max marks. Okay. 80, 85, 72, 85, 72, 76. Okay, we can consider, and obviously the values are repeated. If 85 is repeated twice and 72 is also repeated twice. In order to find the value of R, we will follow the second formula of Spearman's rank correlation. In order to give the rank, the rule is like this. Okay, so 85, obviously, two position, the two person is getting the same first position, right, students? For that, how we are going to calculate is first rank plus second rank divided by 2, because 85 is shared between two individuals, so which is 1 plus 2. First rank plus second rank divided by 2, because two people are sharing it. So which is 3 by 2. What is 3 by 2? 3 by 2 is 1.5. So the rank I'm going to give them as 1.5 each. Got it, students? So this is how we are going to give the rank. Similarly, okay, so the next rank is going to be second rank. We are going to ignore that rank. Okay, the next least mark after 85, which is the next least, is 80, right? 80. So we are eliminating second portion. So third portion will give it to the person who has scored 80 marks. Okay, next fourth position. Fourth position is going to be, the next least mark is 76. So automatically this person will get the fourth position. Now fifth position, okay, the fifth rank, again there is going to be a tie between the two people who have scored 72 marks each. 72 marks each. So for them, how we are going to calculate? How we are going to calculate, students? It's very simple. So fourth rank we have given. So fifth rank, okay, fifth rank, there is a tie break. So how we are going to calculate? Fifth rank plus, what is the next rank? Sixth rank divided by 2, which is 11 by 2, which is equal to 5.5. So these two person who have scored 72 will get 5.5, 5.5. Got it, students? So this is how we are going to give the value, this is how we are going to give the rank when there is going to be a tiebreaker. So don't get puzzled, okay? You can have a look once again. Okay, students? As I told you, this is the mark, right? 80 is the mark in mathematics and we are given the rank. Okay, and how we are going to find M1? M1 is nothing but number of times a value is repeated in a particular series. So 1.5 is repeated 2 times. So M1 is 2, correct? Similarly, what else is repeated? 5.5 is also repeated 2 times. Corrections? So I'm going to write M2 as 2 because 5.5 is also repeated twice. Don't get puzzled, okay? M1, M2, M3 is all related with number of times a particular value is repeated. Got it, students? Okay. Now we will solve a problem based on the rank correlation. Okay, based on rank correlation, we are going to solve a problem. Okay, so you can see the problem here. Find out the rank correlation coefficient between the heights of father and sons. This is the given question. And height of the father is given in inches. Similarly, height of the son is also given in inches. If you see the height of father 65, 66, 67 is repeated twice. So definitely we are going to follow the second formula. Then 68, 69, 70, 72 is also repeated twice. Yeah, so definitely we are going to use the second formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 times 6 summation of d square plus 1 by 12 times m1 cube minus m1 plus 1 by 12 times m2 cube minus m2 plus it goes on divided by n times n square minus 1. Now how we are going to solve, we will see. Here we go. Okay, I have made a tabular column. Height of the father is given. I have written down the height of the father. Then I have written the height of the son, y variable. Okay. Okay, students. And then the next column is going to be rank of x for the father. Then rank of son. We are going to name it as R2. Then D, R1 minus R2, D square. So this is how I have made the tabular column. Now we'll see how we are going to solve this. Yeah. So first we'll see the height of the father. Which is highest? 72. But see, 72 is being shared between the two fathers, two individuals. So what we are going to do? We are going to give the rank. How we are going to give the rank? First rank plus second rank divided by 2. Because it's being shared by two people. So 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5. Correct? So I'm going to give 1.5, 1.5 each for the person who is having 72 inches. Next least will be 70. Corrections? So 70, we have to eliminate the second rank and third position will be given to the father who is having 70 inches. Are you all following, students? Next least is 69. So here is also there is no tie. So we can directly award fourth position. Then 68, there is no tie. So we can give directly fifth position. Okay. Now sixth position, there is a tiebreaker between the two individuals. Yeah. Sixth position. So for that, how we are going to calculate, students? Sixth position plus seventh position, because it's been shared by two people, so we have to find the average divided by 2. So 6 plus 7 will give you 13 by 2, which is 6.5. Okay, so 67 and 67, both of them will get 6.5 each. Corrections. Now what will be the next position? Seventh position we are going to eliminate. Yeah. Eighth position will be given to the next least is the 66 inch. So we'll be giving eighth position because seventh position we are eliminating. Then ninth position will be taken by 65. Understood, students? So this is how we are going to give the rank. Similarly, for rank R2, now you are going to do it, okay, along with me. So who is going to get the first position? Again, here also there is a tiebreaker. 71 is the highest or 72 is the highest? 72 is the highest. So you have to be very, very careful. So once you have given the rank, cross-check whether you have done it properly. Okay, so if you look at this column, height of sun, 72 is the highest. Okay, again first position is shared between the two persons. Okay, so again the same concept, first rank plus second rank divided by 2, 3 by 2, which is 1.5. I'm going to give the person who is holding 72 inch 1.5 each. The second rank will be eliminated. The third rank, right? Third rank. Again, there is a tie between the two. Yeah, this is the least. After 72, next least is 71. We'll, again there is a tiebreaker. We are going to calculate because third rank we are going to take it as third rank. So third rank plus fourth rank divided by 2, which is 7 by 3.5. Got it, students? So 3.5 will be shared between the two persons. 3.5 is going to be shared between the two persons. 3.5 each. Understood? Now again, the next is fourth. We are going to eliminate fifth position, which is the next least number after 71. Yeah, 69. So fifth position. Yeah. Then sixth position, 69. Again, for sixth position, there is a tie between the two person. Yeah. So you have to be very, very careful. Now, how we are going to calculate for sixth position? 6 plus 7 divided by 2, which is 13 by 2, which is 6.5. Okay, this is the rule. So the person with 68 inch will get 6.5 each. 7 we are going to eliminate. Exactly, 7 we are going to eliminate. The next least will be 67. So this will get 8th position. Then the last person, 65, will get the 9th position. Understood, students? Now we'll fill up this column, R1 minus R2. So difference between these two ranks. So you can say along with me, 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 6.5. 8 minus 6.5 will give you 1.5. 6.5 minus 9, it is minus 2.5. Correct? You can use the calculator and check. 6.5 minus 6.5, 0. 5 minus 1.5. Difference between these two ranks. 5 minus 1.5 will give you 3.5. 4 minus 1.5 will give you 2.5. Correct? I can hear you guys repeating along with me. Good. 3 minus 5 will give you minus 2. 1.5 minus 3.5 will give you again minus 2. 1.5 minus 3.5 will give you again minus 2. Corrections. Now we will find d square. D square is just squaring the d column. Are you all following? Just squaring the d column. 1 square will give you 1. 1.5 the whole square will give you 2.25. 2.25 minus 2.5 the whole square. The power is even. Negative will be converted to positive. So it is 6.25. Okay. 0 square is 0. 3.5 the whole square will give you 12.25. You can use the calculator and check along with me. 2.5 the whole square will give you again 6.25. Minus 2 the whole square will give you positive 4. Minus 2 the whole square, positive 4. Minus 2 the whole square will give you positive 4. Okay, don't make any mistake here. So that, even a single mistake, the entire answer will become wrong. Now we have to calculate what is d square. So summation of d square is 40. Total value of d square you are going to get is 40. Now what we are going to do, we are going to substitute in the formula. And totally how many terms you have actually? Number of individuals, 9. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Corrections. Now I'm going to substitute in the formula. So I'm going to write the formula here. What is the formula? R is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation of d square plus 1 by 12 times m1 cube minus m2 cube. m1 cube minus m1. Okay, apologize. m1 cube minus m1. Okay, I'll write it in a loop. What is the formula we are going to write? R is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation of d square plus 1 by 12 times m1 cube minus m1 plus 1 by 12 times m2 cube minus m2, right? Plus it goes on divided by n times n square minus 1. Okay, students. So here, okay, when we found the answer, we should know what is m1, m2, m3. Corrections. So we'll see what is m1, m2. Okay. If you look at this, here rank 1, 1.5 is repeated twice. So for X series, M1 is equal to 2. Yeah. Similarly, 6.5 is repeated twice. M2 is equal to 2. Okay. Don't write 6.5. Okay. M1, M2, M3 is nothing but number of times a particular value is repeated. Similarly, here for R2, M3 is equal to 1.5 is repeated 2 times. Then M4 is again 3.5 is repeated 2 times m5. 6.5 is repeated, right? So you have till m5. Okay, students, are you all following my point here? So don't get puzzled. Yeah, so now I will also use the calculator to calculate. Okay, so the formula R is equal to 1 minus 6 times summation of d square we got is 40, plus you have m1, m2, m3, m4 and m5. So 1 by 12 times m1 cube. What is m1? m1 we got is 2 cube minus 2, correct? 1 by 12 times, again m2 is 2 cube minus 2, plus m3 1 by 12 times 2 cube minus 2, plus m4 2 cube minus 2, plus 1 by 12 2 cube minus 2. The whole term is divided by n. What is the number of terms here? 9. N square is 9 square minus 1. I have just substituted it in the formula. You can have a look. This is the formula. So I have just substituted in the formula. So which is 1 minus 6 times 40 plus 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 will give you 6. So it is 6 by 12. Plus again 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 will give you 6. 6 by 12. Similarly here also 6 by 12 plus 6 by 12 plus 6 by 12. Are you following, students? So which is divided by n times n square is 81 minus 1. Yeah. So 1 minus 6 times 40 plus 6 by 12 will give you 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 5. 1 2 3 4 0.5. The full term divided by 81 minus 1 will give you 80. 80 into 9 will give you 720. Corrections. So which in turn which is equal to 1 minus 6 times 40 plus, okay, 1 2 2.5 2.5 divided by 720. So 1 minus 6 into 42.5 divided by 720. So after simplifying this, you'll be getting around something 0.65. Okay, approximately. I'm not writing the exact answer. Approximately you'll be getting something like this. So what kind of correlation it is? It is a moderate degree of positive correlation. Okay, students, so this is how we got the answer. If you want, you can have a look, okay, how I have solved the problem. You can just go through. Just see how the ranking is being given. Then substituting in the formula, and we are going to get the final answer. It's an approximate answer, okay, students? So I hope you understood the concept of Spearman's rank correlation when there is a tie. The homework is you have to write page number 1625, exercise 16B. Okay, and you can do the problem number 8, 9, 10, 12. Complete these problems based on Spearman's rank correlation. Okay students, using the tied ranks. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.